Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer, and this is Confusing Twist number 1. Confusing Twist was designed by Dmitry and myself, and it was based on one of Dmitry's geared twisty puzzles. And I said to him, well, instead of having a gearing ratio of 1 to 2, can we put some more funny gears at the backside? So if you zoom in, then you can see the gears. I hope you can see them, and you see that they are non-proportional. So you see that there's an acceleration and deceleration, and I designed these gears specially for this puzzle. So let's have a look at the front side, what's happening. So for this type of twisty puzzle, the middle one the middle rotator can turn freely, but when we do the other ones, there are skips. So many times the gearing ratio is 1 to 1 that we see here, but here we have a skip. It skips the orange one. So when we turn, you see it skips this one because you can't use it, and it goes to the next one. So here we have a 1 to 2 gearing ratio. Now we have a few more 1 to 1, and now it's going to skip the yellow one. So, and here it skips the yellow one, and there we go. So in total we have a 1 to 1 gearing ratio, but there are these accelerations and decelerations why some of them are skipped. So here the yellow one is skipped, but we still can make turns like this one and scramble the puzzle. So my question to you is about further development of this puzzle. So we made it extra confusing, this confusing twist puzzle, by introducing the skips through the funny gears at the backside. But is there another way that we can achieve this confusion without having to skip some of these pieces? Thank you for watching.